Hi, I am Elaine.
And I'm Steve, and this is our biome on estuaries. Estuaries is more between land. It's not quite land and it's not quite water. It's also known as a bay, a lagoon, sound, or a slough, where freshwater streams meet the ocean. The salty ocean water mixes with fresh water, resulting in a blackish type water. Salt water is heavier and it sinks to the bottom, and the fresh water stays at the top. The average temperature in an estuary ranges between 80 degrees Fahrenheit all the way down to -10 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on where the estuary is located, with the highest amount of rain happening in June with about 2.24 inches and the lowest in November months of about 0.4 inches.
Believed to be the world's largest by some is the St. Lawrence River, which connects the Great Lakes to the Atlantic Ocean. Or depending on who you ask, the Chesapeake Bay may be the largest in the U.S. Other huge estuaries are the ACE Basin in South Carolina, Outer Banks in North Carolina, and San Francisco Bay.
There are many different animals that live in a biodome of an estuary. Common animals include seabirds, which are the great blue heron, egret, and geese. Fish include trout, salmon, snook, redfish, and they thrive in these shallow waters. Many fish lay their eggs in estuaries and the large amount of plants to provide a safe place for their babies to live. Horseshoe crabs, shrimp, lobster, clams, and worms also live in an estuary. Raccoons, possums, skunks, water snakes, and even reptiles like a crocodile live in there also. Animals that live in estuaries must adapt to live in different types of water in order to survive.
Plants include marsh plant, seagrass, sea rush, pickleweed, which stores the salt in special compartments. The marsh vegetation provides food and shelter to many of the different kinds of animals that inhabit the estuary, such as fish and birds. The vegetation that grow in an estuary has to be able to survive a changing water source of saltwater and freshwater. The freshwater vegetation is found mostly in the upper portion of the marsh, while plants that are closer to the saltwater have the ability to survive in a much saltier region. As these plants break down nutrients flow out of the sea, feeding plankton and other microorganisms.
Humans love estuaries for living. We have the combination of freshwater and ocean saltwater for our enjoyment. We love fishing, hunting, boating, kayaking, and nature walking. We love to build our homes right in their habitat, but this does lead to habitat destruction. Loss of their natural resources, we dredge, dam, and alter the physical environments by farming, having our toxic runoff, industrial pollution by shipping, waste disposal, which is garbage and sewages, and coastal developments for our housing.
Estuaries do recover from human disturbance. In order to recover, we have to have effective management solutions to prevent further damage to our estuaries. Chesapeake Bay is a great example. With orders from Congress for the Clean Water Act and enforcement from the EPA, Chesapeake Bay is making forward progress in having a healthy estuary.